This notebook is waterproof and made of recycled stone paper. Like, what? Hi beautiful people, I'm Priscila and this is Outside of the Box, a series where I unbox and review things. In today's video, follow me along while I unbox, review the main features, and share my first impressions of the A5 notebook from A Good Company. I will talk about my thoughts on delivery, packaging, materials and recycling. But before we begin, I think it's important for me to share with you that I've been a lover of anything stationery for several years, maybe decades, and it's very rare for you to see me not carrying a notebook with me anywhere that I go. The reason being that for me, a notebook is like a second brain. It's a place where I can write my thoughts or any important things that I want to remember and revisit. I think it's a fantastic tool where you can do some self-reflection and journaling, which I'm all for it, in case you haven't noticed yet. Before we move into the meat of the video, enjoy some b-roll of the unboxing and overview of the A5 notebook from A Good Company. So, without further ado, let's begin. Delivery. Unfortunately, a negative thing that I have to say about my experience with A Good Company was the delivery. My order was processed 3 days before Christmas and only arrived on the 15th of January. For context, they ship from Sweden, where the company is based, and I live in Scotland. In their defense, I obviously know that Christmas is the busiest time of the year, on top of any delays that might have been caused by and by Brexit. On their website, they state that their delivery is between 2 and 7 business days, but depending on your location, that can be extended between 5 and 12 working days. They also offer express shipping, which is 2 business days worldwide. On a positive note though, my order was processed through a Zendia, I believe that's how you say it, which is a 100% carbon neutral company. To note, A Good Company is a carbon negative company, as they compensate all their orders and shipping emissions and then some through a Zendia and the DHL Go Green program by planting trees in Zambia, Africa. I think that's amazing, so a big thumbs up for me. I'll leave a few links in the description if you want to read more about it. Packaging. Before we go into the actual notebook itself, I think it's important to say how impressed I was by the fact that none of the packaging where the notebook comes in was made out of plastic or even paper. Not only that, but there were also no unnecessary bells and whistles, which I really liked. The notebook came inside of this grey package, which is made out of recycled stone paper, an environmentally friendlier alternative to tree-based or fossil fuel packaging. Inside the grey packaging, the notebook came encased in this red box, also made from stone paper. I love to see how they explain their message and their mission in both their packaging and inside of the notebook itself too. I thought it was a really nice touch. Material. At first glance, this notebook looks similar to other brands because its design is quite simple and minimal, which I think is great as it appeals to a broad audience. But to the touch is a completely different story. It has a very distinct, luxurious and smooth feel. Both the cover and the pages inside. The pages themselves are actually very white, which is kind of mind-blowing if we think that they don't use any chemicals or bleach to achieve that. As I said previously, both the notebook and the packaging were all made of stone paper. And stone paper is exactly what it sounds like. It's paper made from crushed stone, rather than wood pulp. Stone paper is water resistant, is resistant to tearing, and has no grain, making it a perfect place, in my opinion, to store your thoughts and ideas, with the assurance that those will stand a chance against spills and wrinkles. Contrary to the traditional paper industry, stone paper does not cause deforestation. Stone paper is produced only using recycled materials left over from local industries, is made with solar power and is produced without using water. The Good Company also uses soy ink. You can see it at the front and also on the inside of the notebook. This is a special kind of ink. It is produced from the byproduct of soybean farming, making it a sustainable and eco-friendly alternative to petroleum-based inks. Recycling. Stone paper is recyclable. The material can be turned into more stone paper or recycled with other HDPE plastics. You can recycle through waste to energy, plastic bin, or let it photodegrade in nature. Soy ink is also 4 times more recyclable than traditional inks. I personally love this notebook. It just has the perfect size. It's small enough so it fits in any of my bags, but big enough to make me feel comfortable when I'm writing on it. This A5 notebook also comes in different colors, so if you don't like this dusty pink, there's other colors available. And you can also choose if you want blank, lined or dotted pages. I went for the blank pages because I just love the freedom that blank pages give you. You can write, you can doodle, you can brainstorm, you can do to-do lists, or whatever you want really. In sum, I'm really in love with this notebook and I really like what A Good Company is doing. They have some amazing products on their website and I'm already planning to buy a few more things from them. If you want to get your hands on one of these notebooks or anything else on their website for that matter, I will leave a link in the description box below. And if you want 18% off, use my code Priscila18 at checkout. You're welcome. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you know the next time that I upload a new video. Let me know in the comments below if you are like me and you love stationery and always carry a notebook with you wherever you go. See you in the next video. Bye!